Hi everyone, Jai Shri Jagannath. Today I will show you how to make this tasty Samosa Chaat. Firstly, cut the onions into small pieces. And also cut the coriander into small pieces. And after that, take to samosa and crush it. Crush it like this. And add the chopped onions into it. Add the onions like this. And after adding the onions, add tomatoes. And add the aloo bhujia. And add green chutney. And also add some curd into it. You should make this samosa chaat with level wise like this. After adding the curd, add coriander. And squeeze half lemon. And add little pomegranates. And again add the aloo bhujia like this. And also add the green chutney. And curd also. If you want to add less curd, then you can add less curd into it. As possible, take sweet curd. I have taken sweet curd for better taste. And again add the pomegranates. And many of you watching this video and not yet subscribed my channel, subscribe my channel. It is fully free. And serve with 2 fried green chilies. It enhanced the taste and our samosa chaat is ready to serve. And you can see it is looking very beautiful and tasty, and enjoy.